BCLC squad, welcome back to BCLC YouTube channel. So today we're gonna talk about how to start a business as a college student. Today we have our special guest. He's Raka, Untan student at International Relation major, and he's an entrepreneur. Welcome, Raka.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Wow. So Raka, you are as a student and you are a businessman too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're gonna talk about how to be a businessman and how to be a student in the same time. So for you, how do you start this business while you are as a student? Like, how do you manage your time? How do you create your idea when you are so busy?
Okay. At first, that I haven't think about the business, but my friends asked me the offer to sell some the idea that sell food. Yeah, and I accept that offer, and we make stand in every Sunday in car free day. We selling, its name is Mentai and Mozaru. We are making stock, and like every Sunday we stock like 15 until 17 product, and yeah, start from there. And then her father got rent place and to create coffee shop, and got some space for us to sell our food. So yeah, that's how I start the business until now. Yeah.
So as a student, like you have a lot of activity in your campus to do, and as a businessman, of course, you need to manage your business so well. Do you have any teamwork?
Yeah, I got some teamwork, and actually it's a little bit hard do some business and college semester 7 and so much tasks to do. And yeah, the key is still time like 1 hour 2 hour to do. If you can, if you get if you can do college things, do it at 1 hour. That after that you can do the business, and uh make yourself like more calm lah, because if you're not calm, things are get more mess gitu. And it's hard to manage a business and manage a college and manage your schedule too, out of a college and business you got a family, you got a mom and dad, and they are need your time too. You got the phone now, we got phone, we can create our schedule, we note our what we need to do next.
Oh,
so
yeah.
so we are not forget.
It means like you manage your time so well until you make a list of your schedule
Yeah.
too, right? Wow. So we want to know about when have you started this business and why do you and what inspired you to choose mental
Mentai.
mentai?
Yeah,
What
food.
what's the name? Mentai
Mentai.
Himazuru.
Mentais and mozaru,
Oh yeah,
because
mentai and mozaru.
it's two different product, and
Ah,
it's food. What I sell is beef mentai. Beef mentai is uh rice with beef belly and mentai sauce on the top. It's Japanese food actually, and mozaru is butter rice and chicken and mixed vegetables, and sauce mentai and mozzarella cheese on the top. And yeah, when I started it, like what, 1 year ago, we make a stand. I got offer from my friends and I take it. The key is you must take the change. Yeah.
yes, of course.
Yeah, and then uh that's when I start. But before that, and the why I accept that over is because I was uh I was being a waiter at the restaurant, and then I see my the restaurant owner and also the manager that's so kind and want to give me some business learning. And then so I got a, yeah, I got some knowledge about business. And yes, and she's the owner of the restaurant, is my role model because the hardworking, the knowledge, the experience that she has is like so animation. And yeah, business is hard too. She's teach me things about business, yeah, from good and bad and the gray area and and like that. But yeah, that's how I think that business is a good things for me to do. And to see that this situation right now, like yeah, we got COVID-19 and other virus like that, evolving virus, and it's hard to do job like occasional job like uh, to be a employee for nation and others, and of and overpopulation right now, yeah, and we limited quota, limited yeah, field job. We need to know about business because
Wow,
yeah, we have to create our field gitu. And it's better if you create people job field gitu.
that's a nice idea you have taken. Like you can build your own field as a job.
Yeah, it's
Wow. So,
thank
Raka, when you have started this business, do
mhm.
you find any obstacles or challenge when you face it?
uh,
And how do you resolve this
there's
problem with your teamwork?
there's so much things in business that can be obstacle from the and but the point is on the agreement, because business, you will never start a business alone. You have to need a company. You have to need people, might be above you or below you or same as you, that run with you gitu. And the point, the always be a mistake is, always be the obstacle is the agreement, the misunderstanding, the different idea that will lead to a different path. And yeah, the getaway that I know is to make an agreement that like this, and we spill our what we want. My team, we spill, we make a list, and then uh we are break down the opportunity. If the A is gonna be like this, is the B gonna be like this, and then we are find the rational and the realistic way of what this business gonna be. And we made our mind and we vote. We make a vote about that. Whatever the vote will be, we're gonna agree in that, and we're gonna fix it, and we're gonna run it the way it should be. And yeah, that's how my team works, and it's still run until now.
So it means like your teamwork works so well until every obstacle you can face
Yeah,
together.
so glad to have them.
Wow. Actually, I just know a bit about business, but I've
Mm.
ever heard about business plan. Do you think is it important to have a business plan?
Yeah, it's in this era, in this 2022, it's a must. Like we can depend on our everyday job, like or employee at nation, or things like we are applying jobs on others place. We can depend on it because the overpopulation and the what uh the skill is more, like there's so many people more skilled than us and more lucky than us. Then and the getaway is we create our own, like yeah, we need a big business plan. It doesn't have to be big. Like the key of business plan is aware of what around us. Yeah, now as we can see, people like there's what that coklat dingin, yeah, ice chocolate with bread with roti.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I know it.
yeah, it's what's the capital business of that, like maybe 500,000 you can create that with your tabungan, yeah. With
Yeah,
your fine, yeah.
yeah.
And uh you can do it at your garage at first with ask your friends. Like business plan from start from little is it's a good things to do. Yeah.
Yeah, so actually, like when we have a business plan, so uh, it means like we know what we want to sell and what we want to do with our business.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you have to like do it first. Whatever come next, it's you have to improvise with that. That's the homework that you know the how it's done. You know what happened, and then you have to act it first so you know what's the problem next. Because if you're just very like wondering, you just choose to wondering the good thing. You don't know the bad realistic things. What will happen? Like maybe you run out of, maybe you got some lose that unprofitable that, and how to manage it in business. Loss is a certain thing, but you never stop until you make a profit. That's
Wow, wow, that's cool. So, can you share us about how to start? Like, what are the steps to start a business?
first for me. In my opinion, for me, what I think is you have to know the bottom layer of business first. Like, you have to be the the one who work. Have to know the recipe. You have to know how to lobby people. You have to know the manner of what business you're gonna into. So when when your business get bigger, you know how to teach your employee. You know how to manage it. You, and it's gonna be last long if you know that.
So it means like business not only about selling product, but make people comfortable and wanna buy our product,
Yeah,
right?
that's it. That's the point.
So do you have some messages for our students? I mean, like for our friends. Maybe there are some people are interested to be an entrepreneur.
My message is just like, just aware of what happened around us. I- in If you're interested in business, you have to aware of what happened in business era right now, and what is on viral right now. Because business is like what I say, it's same like a political. It's evolving, it's changing every time. Can stick with the old style. Have to, in business basically, you have to fear of missing out. And now it's a digital era.
Mm.
You everything is on your hand. You have to know what they want. You have to utilize the things that around you, like your phone. You can utilize that to share your promotion, your product promotion, like uh to make people aware of your product. And they want to, and they convince that they want to buy your product. So yeah, the message is aware and utilize things. Yeah.
That's really nice message. So guys, this is a long journey that you must do it continuously and never stop until you earn.
Make a profit.
Yes, nice. So maybe that's all for our BCLC podcast today. Don't forget to watch, like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.